Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be how I pack for a business trip. This is a 3-day, 2-night trip across in October, so the weather's going to be a little bit chilly, but chilly for me in Phoenix, not really, like in the 60s with 40s at night and rain. So I am a breastfeeding mother and pumping, so the red thing is a cooler. I'm going to do a separate video on how I pack that for pumping and everything in the airport and on vacation and how to bring milk back for your baby. And then this is my personal item for the airplane, and I'll talk about that later, but today's video is going to be about what is in my like clothing and all that kind of thing bag. So this suitcase I actually got from Ross recently. I left the tags on so I could show you. It is $67.99 for a carry-on, and it is by Triforce. And it doesn't say much. There we go. This is, I believe, the 22-inch by 14.5-inch by 9.8 inches suitcase. And let's go ahead and see what's in it. I'm a firm believer in packing cubes, so you will see a lot of those in here. I got mine from Eagle Creek and some from Amazon. So one of the first things that I like to do when I'm going on a trip is I pick the outfit that I'm going to be wearing to the airport. I try to pick something comfortable, something that's going to be easy to go through security in, something appropriate for the weather, and also something that's bulky, the bulkiest thing. Like this poncho thing takes up a lot of space in a suitcase or a jacket maybe. Your jeans might take up more room, or your boots or whatever. So anything that's going to be bulky in a suitcase you want to wear on the plane if you can. So in this case, for the airport, I'm wearing just some black leggings. That's my gray tank top, my underwear. I'm going to wear this poncho because I am going to be pumping milk while I'm there, so that kind of covers me up. And then my bra. So that's what I'm wearing to the airport. I've decided to just wear my wedding ring as far as jewelry goes. I'm not even going to be seeing any of my coworkers when I'm at the airport, so I'm flying on my own flight, so it doesn't matter. Now let's talk about this suitcase. Alright, so this is the suitcase empty, and it has like a flap here. This has 2 mesh parts, and then the other side has a strap. So one thing that I use is this here. This is a shoe bag from Amazon, and I put my shoes like opposite direction, so heel to toe. This is just a pair of black closed-toed wedges for work, and then I stuffed them with my socks for bedtime. This little pouch here I got from a Bobble Bar order, but it just has all my jewelry for the 3 days. This here is from Real Techniques, but it is basically just a brush holder, so I put all my makeup brushes in there. This is a bag for non-liquid toiletries, things for the shower, toothbrush, hairbrush, shower cap, things like that. This bag here is my non-liquid makeup, so powder products, things that don't need to be in a separate bag. So my Tarte Rainforest After Dark palette. This is just powders. It's very easy on the go. Something that's got bronzer, blush, highlight, and 6 shadows. My powder, eye pencil, highlighter, stuff like whatever else I needed that was non-liquid for makeup. And then I have a bag of liquid makeup products that is going to be in my personal items so that I can whip it out at security very easily. This pouch here is by Eagle Creek. It is the long one that has only one side to it. It's like a tube, and in this one I have squished things that I don't mind if they get wrinkled. They're like pajamas, bras, underwear, and undershirts, camisoles, things like that. So in this case, I didn't care to roll them and make it all perfect. I normally do for like the clothes that I don't want to get wrinkled, but these are mostly like undergarments, so I didn't mind that. This pouch is a double-sided one. It's called a wet dry, and what I like about this is it's airtight on one side for dirty clothes that you don't want them to stink up the rest of your clothes. It's also good for like a wet swimsuit. It keeps it dry on the rest of your swimsuit, the rest of your luggage dry. So this pouch part, I have one dress shirt, and I'm actually using this as my like plan B outfit in case it's really cold or I need a separate shirt. This is what I'm going to wear home over one of those camisoles. As I am pumping during my trip, I need something that's got easy boob access. And then a pair of comfy pants that I can wear on the plane home. So these are just some jeans. And then the other side of this pouch, now I could roll these, but in my opinion, jeans are just bulky no matter what you do. So I just lay them flat in here and get the zipper to close. That's the really nice thing about the Eagle Creek packet system, is that they compress all of your clothes into a smaller space. No, this isn't sponsored. I've just found from experience in traveling that it's really nice to use these packet cubes. The other side of that cube, that's the wet dry, has another camisole, and my black pants. So I can wear that dress shirt, the red and black one, with black pants and a black camisole, or a white shirt, whatever I want on the way home. This is like my backup outfit and my drive home, my fly home outfit. So this cube here has three tops and 2 pairs of pants, and it's just this little thing, not much bigger than like a toiletries bag. And then this last packet cube is the outfits. I have a dress in here for one of the days I'm going to be traveling for work, and the jacket thing that I'm going to be wearing over something. Now, I've chosen to roll these items. That just made them not wrinkle as easily. I chose fabrics that are not very easy to wrinkle, and then this is my little travel umbrella. There's a pretty good chance of rain while I'm there. I don't need a belt. The dress I'm bringing actually has a belt built in. And then I also have brought this. This is a strap. It actually goes to one of my like clutch purses, so I'm going to be able to change that from a clutch to like a full-on carrying handbag. Once I get to my destination, I'm going to tuck that little purse inside of my big personal item on the flight, but then once I get there, I'll be able to change it to a purse again instead of a clutch. Then just a couple more things. I hate to be hungry, and I am a breastfeeding mom, like I've said like 8,000 times in this video. So I always like to have snacks. I have some granola bars, some Fiber One bars, and tea bags, because I love those, in one Ziploc bag. That'll just be tucked right in my suitcase. They're non-perishable, and you can bring them on the flight. A lot of people don't know that, but you can. And I'm also traveling with other people. I'm not going to have the rental car, so I'm not going to be able to just stop at a drive-thru if I get hungry, you know. I need to be able to have something with me. And then this last bag is kind of random stuff. These are 2 cords that I hope not to need. One of my phones doesn't get charged very often, so 3 days should be fine. I hardly use it, but I have some extra batteries for my breast pump. I have a phone, like a limeade, like a portable phone charger. And then this bag is my oh no bag. I have some Tylenol, some Band-Aids, a Shout like wipe for a stain on a shirt. I have lint strips, lint papers, and a sewing kit with a safety pin, and then some tampons just in case. So that's pretty much it for that. Oh, and there's dental floss in there that I meant to put in my toiletries. Alright, so what I'm going to do in this suitcase to pack everything in is I'm going to use this center part for my toiletries. 1, so that, you know, it keeps them separated, but 2, so that if they make a mess, they're not going to get all my clothes dirty or my packing cubes dirty. They'll just get these pockets dirty. So that is my non-liquid makeup, my non-liquid toiletry items, and then also I'll go ahead and do my snacks in here. And I'll have to like smush that bag down a little bit. And then I'll put my makeup brushes also in here. If I can fit these in one of these pouches, I will. Yep, perfect. And then also I'll be putting in that strap for my purse and that extras bag that just has some random things like the sewing kit and lint papers. Alright, the extras bag did not fit, but my jewelry pouch will. So I'm going to just tuck that in here. And I'm going to see if I can also fit in here my gloves. I did bring a pair of black gloves just in case. I am an Arizona girl and I'm not used to cold weather, so even 50 degrees is cold enough for gloves for me. So I've got a black scarf that is not included in anything, but I'm going to wrap that around the edges. So here's the bottom part, and then you want to feel if there are any grooves that you can fill in your suitcase that you can use like extra space that would just otherwise be left empty. In this case, I'm going to wrap my scarf around the exterior of the suitcase. I'll show you what I mean. Scarf around the exterior and tuck it as close as you can. And then I'm just going to put in a bunch of packing cubes as I can, whatever fits, however they fit. Then I've got my center section, and that zips down over all of that. Alright, I have unsnapped the strap here, and then I'm going to put my shoes in there, and I'm going to fit them in the grooves of this part. I kind of like shoved them in between the grooves. I've got my random extras bag, got that in there. Some things that I like to bring, like one Ziploc bag in case I have anything clothes-wise that like smells or gets really dirty. If I had a wet swimsuit, I could just stuff it in this little bag. So I just bring one. You never know if you have a makeup product that breaks or something gets really messy and you just need a way to do it. And then I've got, this is just an extra like tote bag, just in case I buy stuff or I want to be shopping. I just need something little to tuck in here, just in case. And then I bring a trash bag for other dirty stuff. I tucked my extra jacket in here, which is like a raincoat. So I've got a raincoat, an umbrella, a poncho type sweater, gloves, a scarf. I know, I'm silly, but just in case. And then you could put a swimsuit in there if you thought you might go in the hotel pool, or if you're actually going to be swimming, maybe sandals, gym clothes, whatever else you needed. And then the goal is here to close this suitcase up. I already took off the tags, I'm just going to zip it up. Alright, so I was able to zip it up. All fits in this one hard suitcase. Stay tuned for my personal item and my breastfeeding pumping video as how I travel with those. Thanks for watching. Bye.